Welcome to visit the website of Liangshan Yalong Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited. Our company is an appointed enterprise to produce and refit automobiles and trailers, approved by the Development and Reform Commission of China. The leading products are tank trailers, particle material tankers, low-bed semi-trailers, van-type semi-trailers, stake semi-trailers, dump semi-trailers, and customized automobiles, specialty vehicles. Meanwhile, our company undertakes the business of refitting and designing special vehicles, integrating with product design, scientific research, production, and sale. Our company locates in the trailer vehicle manufacturing base, Shandong Liangshan Chuanpu Industrial Park. Company's registered capital is 20.5 million RMB, and the total assets reach upward of 80 million RMB. We possess all kinds of large-scale professional equipment and advanced production technology, professional inspection line, and a complete computer-aided design system. Most of the products pass the certification of CCC. Also, some products are being exported to the international market actively. We have established long-term cooperation relationship with them. We have our own service network to help customers solve problems in the use of products timely. You are expected to cooperate with us to meet mutual benefit. If you want more information, please contact us at your convenience. Choose Yalong for once. Choose Yalong forever.